Good afternoon. Just doing a quick video here. My daughter had problems with her electrical window switch and door switch wasn't working. So I thought it was going to be a pretty simple job. First went onto YouTube, and I'm doing this because none of the movies out there actually showed this model year, which is 2007, or 2008 rather. This model goes from 2007 to 2012. It's a Nissan Sentra 2-litre. It's a base model. So I started doing it because I didn't know how. I'm not stupid, well maybe I am, and I just had a few minutes of really couldn't get this thing off. So what we do is we've got to remove this panel here. The nice thing is we don't have to remove the door panel like you do on lots of other cars. And the trick is here, we go to the front of the panel with a screwdriver underneath it, and we just pop it up. This is where the issue is. It's like, oh, we're digging around here, it doesn't come off. There's a little pad cover which is in the base of this little rest, which usually comes out easier than this. There it is, which we just remove that. And down at the bottom there's a Phillips screwdriver. So we just scoot our little fillets. Little guy there, and that's out. And now this little fella actually comes out. So what we've got to do is here, we've got a few electrical connectors. We just want to prise them open each side a little bit, and we can get them to come out, like over here. There's a little bit that side, and then over here, and a little bit on the other side, and more on the other side again, and then pushing this little bit, and there, that comes off. Same applies to this little fella here. We want to remove these little electric connectors. When we've done that, we've got to remove, there's a little circuit board in there, and basically what I did is I just put gently, thin screwdriver, click, click, backwards and forwards, both sides, and then the unit came out. You want to be careful because some little bits of plastic may fall out there. What I found the problem with this particular one was the switch, that there was some grease where the contactors were resting on for both the door lock and for the power switch on the driver's side over there. I just cleaned those up on the contactors. I just prized open very slightly the connectors, which are sprung loaded onto the little pad at the bottom, which has got the electric connector, and then put it back in very gently, and then it worked. The reverse of putting this all back together, pretty straightforward. Just click this back in here, put this little guy back in there. We're going to screw down in here. If you want to, you can actually pull this piece out here, but it's not necessary. So we put the little Phillips screw in there, and click that back into place, and then hopefully you might have fixed it.